Alright guys, so we're going to do a little experiment tonight. We are going to be using 4 pounds of chicken breast, 2 garlic smoked sausages from Myers in Elgin, Texas, and it is pure experiment. I've got some sugar-free style casserole, keto, so we'll figure it out. Alright, so had a little snafu with the other burner. We've had to put it on a different burner, and now we're going to get this rocking and rolling. So it's in about a ½ cup of oil. For this particular one I used, what did I use on this one? I used avocado oil. Going to mix them up, all the spices. Like I said, this is a science experiment, so don't hold me to anything crazy. Love you. See you shortly. We're going to throw in some Zatarain's Creole mustard. 1, 2 tablespoons. Now I should clarify something. You know, when I'm cooking, I don't always use like a regular measured out scooper. Like that was actual 2 real tablespoons, not a teaspoon, tablespoon. Alright, so oh my god, the smell is amazing, amazing. Now we're going to throw in the 2 lengths that we've diced in half, and I know this is a big shocker. You're going to love this, my keto lovelies. 1 stick of grass-fed butter. As I said, we're winging this. So what we are adding in, I mean, this is barbecue chicken, right? Stovetop barbecue chicken. Southern Comfort. I mean, we are Texas. We are going to add in 2 ounces of Southern Comfort, blended bourbon, and I mean, look at that. Oh my God. You would not believe how amazing all of this smells. Alright, so that means we're going to go with the small one. Alright, so these are in ½ teaspoon. We are going to be adding in just a bit of coriander. We'll call that 2 teaspoons of coriander. Bag of broccoli. ½ stick of grass-fed butter. Oh, white cheddar cheese. No, I didn't measure it. It's to what I like. All right, now we're going to spice this up. Everything salt. It's made by a company called Old Thompson. Amazing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get that stirred up just a tad bit. Might even throw it in the microwave for a second or two with the butter down near the bottom. We'll see you in a minute. All right, I mean, look at that chicken. Oh my God. And it tastes so fucking incredible, by the way. All right, now I want to get some more fat into it. So 2 great big huge silverware tablespoons of sour cream are getting dropped in it. Gonna let that get mixed up, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, so here we go. We are now plating. Oh, let me look at that. I normally don't show you guys plating, so here you go. Today's your day. Now, I gotta come up with a cool name. Everybody needs to be leaving comments. Look at that.